In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and make the most of TradingView, an indispensable tool for traders and investors alike. Whether you're interested in stocks, crypto, forex, or any other financial market, TradingView provides everything you need to conduct comprehensive technical analysis. Let's begin by exploring how easy it is to choose your market of interest. TradingView has a built-in search function where you can seamlessly look up the financial instrument you're interested in. Perhaps you're fond of creating a more personalized experience. In that case, you can curate your own watch list featuring your favorite markets. Once you've pinpointed your desired market, go abos basket. Simply click on it to access the associated price chart. This chart is the starting point for all your analysis. Now let's dive into the flexibility TradingView offers in terms of viewing and interpreting data. You can set your candles to various time frames, ranging from as short as 1 second to as long as a year, accommodating both short-term traders and long-term investors. To enhance your analysis, the top toolbar provides a drop-down list of indicators, enabling you to choose from a vast array of analytic tools. These indicators can help you garner deeper insights into market trends and potential shifts. For traders who love to annotate or draw conclusions directly on their charts, TradingView doesn't fall short. There are more than 90 drawing tools available, from annotation aids to measuring tools and trend lines, all conveniently located on the left-hand side of the chart. This feature allows you to tailor your chart to match your trading strategy or to highlight important observations for your future reference. Among the various chart types available, let's look at a few popular ones. The candlestick chart is a staple for revealing the high, low, opening, and closing prices of a security over a selected time frame. If you're interested in understanding price movements concerning a reference point, the baseline chart is your go-to. And for those who want to discern trends effortlessly, the Heikin Ashi chart, which translates to average bar, utilizes modified candles to smooth out price variations. You might be wondering about the accessibility of these features. TradingView ensures that its platform is equally functional, whether you're using a desktop web browser or a mobile device. This consistency guarantees that your trading is seamless, no matter where you are. Moreover, TradingView enables you to adjust your dashboard layout and screen colors, adding a layer of personalization to your workspace. This feature can make a tremendous difference, especially if you're spending considerable hours analyzing charts. Remember, while past performance is informative, it's not a foolproof indicator of future results, so always proceed with caution and informed judgment. TradingView is versatile enough to track a wide range of assets, from stocks like Apple Inc. to crypto assets such as Bitcoin and even forex markets. This flexibility makes it a one-stop platform for all your trading needs. We've covered a lot today, and I hope this guide empowers you to navigate TradingView with confidence, enhancing your trading experiences and decision-making processes.